Welcome and thank you for joining me. So IPD heavy duty links which are available from their website. I purchased them a year ago and installed them on my Volvo. They look heavy duty, they look nice, but let me tell you that they didn't last very long. Unfortunately, the video was posted 1 year ago, and today I want to give you a feedback on how they performed, and they performed really badly. So let me show you the issue with those links. Just listen. The links lasted exactly 13 months or 16,000 kilometers and they failed. The problem is the passenger lower ball joint here on the link. It's hard to see on the video.
Yeah, it's good.
Without any hesitation, I immediately placed an order for replacement links. Front and rear, I don't want any chances. I don't want to take any chances, and I don't want to deal with this in the winter time, so I ordered front and back online. Volvo will charge you approximately 400 Canadian dollars for 4 links, approximately. This order was way cheaper, I would say less than half of that. The front links are TRW, they are made in France. I will post all the part numbers in the description below. Look for all the details over there. And the rear ones are Lemforder, made in Turkey. These are the boxes and the part numbers for the rear links. And let's unbox and take a closer look at the links. And they look pretty nice at the first glance. Let's hope that they will perform much better than the IPD ones. To be honest, I didn't even bother contacting IPD, because if they send me a new kit for their links, I don't want to spend the time and effort to put the IPD ones on the car. Forget about it. I just ordered the new ones here. I'm gonna replace those, and hopefully it will last way longer. Notice TRW is part of Sachs and ZF, which is a German brand, I suspect. The front links, surprisingly, the ball joints are pretty loose. Usually they're very stiff when they're new. Surprisingly very loose. Well, all four of the ball joints are loose. Well, maybe that's the way it's supposed to be. I will link the original video of the IPD links, a detailed video on replacing. Here I'm gonna show you just quickly the replacement. So here is the link, the front passenger link of the car. The top one is nice and tight, stiff, but the bottom one is super loose. And look at that.
Wow.
We tore apart the boot, and this is just insane.
What kind of
completely blown away with rust.
Okay.
Very poor quality. Lasted exactly 1 winter. The top ball joint is still in good condition. Very little grease in it. I'm not gonna open the boot on the new ones because it's gonna be pretty impossible to put the boot back in position. So I'm not gonna do that. So let's quickly reinstall the new link here, which is the troublesome. And I thought, you know what, maybe just a defect, just the passenger side failed, and you know, it happens.
Now repeat on the other side.
Let's take a look at the driver's side link. So here's the new one in my hand, the old one is on the car, and there you go. And look at that. exactly same happened to the driver's side. The bottom ball joint completely rusted away, not knocking yet, but it will be. So I'm very surprised how they managed to sell those kits and claim that they're heavy duty. I was really, when I first purchased them, I thought, oh, this will be a good part for my Volvo, but no. For the sake of it, I also going to replace the rear ones, because if they go bad, I don't want to deal with this in the winter time, because it's super cold here in Canada. And a quick replacement here. The new ones are in position. We gotta lower the car to tighten the top nuts, which we did here. So hopefully this feedback video will show you what happens to those links. They lasted exactly 13 months, 16,000 kilometers. Take a look at the original video of those IPD links installed with all the detailed installation video. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, guys.